magic, and while he's talking about stylish dressing, I'm talking about stylish interiors right here at Continental Group's institutional building, and one of the people behind it is of course Siddharth. Hi.
Hi.
So tell me the idea behind this place. You have your corporate workstations, you have throat stuff displayed here for interiors. What was the concept of this building?
Basically, for this building, we wanted to bring a more serious client, a client who will be willing to who has good taste and is wanting to come here to get their entire building done, or perhaps more than just picking up a retail item. So
what would you say is the USP? Because people have to drive out to Greater Noida, take an appointment. It's not just a walk-in store.
You can walk in, but we prefer if you take an appointment, because we would then because it's very personalized. Interiors is very personalized. It's not like an outfit that you'll wear one day and you don't have to wear it again.
Yeah.
This is something you have to live with.
Yeah.
So our whole idea is that we have everything displayed out for you, whether it's workstations for corporate side or it's Stroot for residential. We also have another room where we've got all our samples laid out, where you can literally come in and pick and choose everything.
And for someone who gets this much variety, like all your samples in one place, and they're confused, they don't know how to put it together, how can you help?
That's where I come in and my panel of interior designers come in, and we have association with a lot of architects who bring their clients into us, and we do the interiors for them.
Alright, now something that's very fascinating here is of course that you've done very basic stuff like wardrobes in a stylish way. How about you show me some of these wardrobes? The one that I see here is actually quite just an open one.
This is a mock-up of a small walk-in for a typical house in Delhi or Bombay where space is a constraint.
Yes.
But yet you want to have you want a mini walk-in where you can come in and you can see everything put out. We have mirrored backs with textured silver leather. We have interesting rails where you can hang your clothes. These can be lit and switched on and switched off.
So those are all the options that people can pick up depending on their budget. Basically, they can get it customized.
Absolutely. These are sliding cupboards which are backlit.
Okay.
With high glass, and all the polish is high gloss.
Oh.
And the drawers are all glass, and they are all pushed to close. They all close on their own.
And how difficult is it to maintain such a high gloss finish, or is it fairly easy?
It's fairly easy.
Yeah?
Of course, high gloss has to be maintained more than laminate would have to be maintained. Yeah. But I think the kind of clientele who would pick this up would understand the maintenance.
Alright. Now one thing that really caught my eye is something really basic that you've done here, but this wardrobe looks like a very interesting piece in itself, right? It will look like a part of the furniture and just blend in, right?
Right. This is actually, this is all an import from Vienna. Okay. It's kind of a laminate, but it's not exactly a laminate. Okay. And once you open it, you can see that we have, it's a very highly detailed cupboard again. Okay. We have drawers for shoes, where, you know, there will be no smell because they can all leave.
Yeah.
These are different drawers.
And again, you have leather detailing on it.
So you can keep your watches and your jewelry and don't have to worry about them.
Great. So what does the pricing of your wardrobe start at?
It can start at anything between, I mean, it actually depends on the size, on the scale. I can't even give you a price because it depends on the kind of inlay you want, or you want it to be simple. If it's basic, it's all very variable.
Well, that's exactly why you guys have to take an appointment, come out here, meet Siddharth and his pair of very talented designers who are going to help you figure out exactly what kind of size and space you need, what kind of inlay you should have for your home. Thank you so much for talking to me.